Warm potato salad with big onion flavor and feta. Before you even start on the potatoes, the first thing you do is the onions. A buttload of onions. This potato salad has layers of onion flavors. The first layer is caramelized onions. Those onions cook down to nothing, but they got a ton of flavor, I promise. I'm using a thin-skinned potato so we don't have to peel them. Add them to cold water with a splash of vinegar and then turn them on. The vinegar helps keep the potatoes from breaking down too much when they cook. We want warm potato salad, not mashed potatoes. This dish is built on layers of onion flavors, including leeks and leek scapes, which you can find in spring. You want to get rid of the woody bottom and the tops where the flour would be, and just dice them into little rounds. But you could treat these like asparagus and grill them, they're beautiful. And spring garlic, which are like spring onions. Get rid of the tops and the bottoms, and those are getting cut up too. Caramelized onion with those leek and green garlic, oh yeah. A little salt, and we gotta cook everybody. It's like onion heaven. We need this dressing to stick, which a little flour is gonna help us do. Of course, we gotta toast it first. And we're going for sweet and sour. Sweet with honey and sour with vinegar. Half cup of water and bring that to a simmer so it thickens. When your potatoes are cooked and tender, we add them warm. This is a warm potato salad. And toss them while they're still warm so they soak in all that sweet and sour. But to finish that potato salad, we need feta, the good stuff. The stuff you get in a brick, not that crumbled shit. And lemon zest to brighten it up. Toss that one last time and you're good. Look at that. Now that's potato salad. It needs a little more onion, don't you think? Chives.
Ooh, I saw those layers of onion flavor punching me in the tongue.
Sour.
It's like boom, boom, boom. And the feta?
Salty.
Way different than regular potato salad. This is light and delicious.
I love that.
It's a very fresh, happy onion taste.
I don't even like potato salad. This is a fucking game changer.
It's fucking good. Onion, onion, onion.